Oh, today was a day of losing things, apparently. At one point, I apparently set down my GoPro, and it's on a tripod and everything, you know. It's a handheld tripod. It's one of those bendy ones, so it's like, the tripod's like so big. So big. And I was hiding ducks, and when I hide ducks, I film where I hide them with my phone. So I set the GoPro down, did the filming of where I hid the ducks, got up and left the GoPro behind. Yeah. Realized it several decks later. I was up on deck 16, and I apparently lost it on deck 7 or 8. And I went into my bag and was like, where's my GoPro? Oh my God, where's my GoPro, right? And I got incredibly lucky. So the first thing I did was go to the casino to see if they had turned it in there, thinking, well, I hit a duck at the Wheel of Fortune machines, thinking maybe I set it down. Because, you know, in my memory, I remember setting it down. I could not for the life of me place where it was. And yeah, it wasn't there. And I asked at the bar, and they said, oh, go ask the cashier. I asked at the cashier. They said, go to customer services, you know. So I went downstairs to the services desk, and I said, did anyone turn in the GoPro? And he's like, can you describe it? I said, well, it's a GoPro 10. It's on, and he's like, what does it look like? I'm like, it's black, you know? And it's on a bendy tripod that's also black. And he's like, can you describe the tripod more? I'm like, it has foam around the legs. He's like, okay. Goes back, brings me back my GoPro. Oh my God. So yeah, a crew member apparently turned it in, and thank God for them, because I was like, this is going to be a very expensive trip. I mean, I have a backup camera if my GoPro goes, you know, because that happens and you're not exactly close to being able to get another one, although they are selling GoPro 10s now on the ship. For the longest time, I swear they were selling 8s after the 10 was out, but now they've apparently gone through their stock and they're selling 10s. But yeah, you don't want to have to buy one on the ship if you can help it, because yeah, it's not going to be a discounted price. And the 11s are out now, so I was wandering through going, well, I guess I have an excuse to get an 11. But I don't now, because it came back to me. Thank you. Thank you, crew member. Thank you.